Hello, I'm Nia Putri. I will review the journal entitled Student Participation on Speaking Online Class OK Study as a task for the mid-semester test of the Speaking for Academic Purposes course. The author of this journal are Miss Indi Englistina, Miss Novita Al-Ihyakdeni, and Miss Steffi Mega Mahardika, a lecturer from the University of 70 August 1948 Semarang. The purpose of this study is to reveal the factors that influence student participation on online speaking classes. Introduction. Speaking is one of the classes to support the ability of students maturing in English. This class provides opportunities for them to improve their speaking English skill and explore their creativity during class activities. However, not all students have the confidence to speak English in front of the class or in front of their classmates. According to Riyasati 2018, one of the factors that makes students not actively speak during the teaching and learning process is that they are embarrassed to speak in English. The other problems in speaking English were mentioned by Nabrival 2017. Number 1, inadequate knowledge of vocabulary. Number 2, grammar as a stumbling block. Number 3, fear of negative responses from others. Number 4, low self-esteem to speak in English. And 5, feel anxious to speak in English. Riddle 2021 state online classes during the pandemic caused several problems such as anxiety, stress, and depression among students. The results showed that 16.98% of students experienced moderate depression, 16.98% experienced anxiety, and 14.46% experienced stress due to online classes. According to OR 1996, there are several problems faced by learners in speaking activities. This problem can be explained as follows. 1. Inhibition. Learners are often inhibited from trying to say something in a foreign language, such as being worried about mistakes, afraid of being criticized by others, or embarrassed by attention-grabbing attention of their speech. Because unlike reading, writing, and listening activities, speaking requires some real-time exposure to an audience. Number 2, lack of the time to be spoken. Learners have difficulty in thinking of something to say. They lack the motivation to express themselves beyond the code they should say. Number 3, lack of participation. In certain situations in a group involving several people, such as in a class, only one person often speaks while the others are more dominant as listeners. This situation makes for a lifeless conversation. Number 4, the use of mother tongue. Learners often say things in their mother tongue for several reasons. First, it's easier. Second, it feels unnatural to speak in a foreign language. Last, they feel less open if they speak their mother tongue. This study was conducted to find out some of the factors that made them not participate in their speaking class and offer some suggestions related to this factor. By revealing this factor, it is hoped that especially for educators, they will better understand the situation and then be able to handle it in a better way. Method. Research design. This study used qualitative method. Data were collected from interview and questionnaire filled out by second and fourth semester students of the Faculty of Language and Culture, University of 17 August 1945 Semarang. The research was conducted in the event semester of the 2021 academic year. Subject of study. There were 28 respondents in this study and they were asked to fill out a questionnaire containing 10 questions and answer 5 Other question in the interview about the respondent contribution during the online speaking classes. Instrument. The study collects data from event, respondent, and document. The document are lecture material from lectures, question sheet, and videos in the discussion section of the speaking class. Data analysis. The author used an interactive analysis model that includes the three main components, namely data reduction, data presentation, and drawing conclusion or verification. The data analysis model is shown in a figure below. Finding and discussion. Online classes have been conducted almost 2 years since the pandemic. There are several advantages and disadvantages in the process. These issues have somehow affected the online teaching and learning process. Another problem that is affected in online learning is the contribution of student and student condition. First, student contribution. To find out the student contribution to the class discussion, the researcher gave 3 questions in the questionnaire. In question number 1, it is asked how often students participate in class discussion. Based on observational data taken from the interview with lecturer, there are less than 75% of students who always participate in class discussion voluntarily, while another 25% want to participate if the lecturer asks them to speak. The next question, whether students know that participation is assessed. Based on the observation, 92.9% of students understand that their participation is being assessed. Then 7.1% of respondents who do not know this important information. The last is rejection to participation. Based on the observation, it can see that 64.3% of students choose to take part in class discussion because they know the discussion will be said. But 25% of students sometimes choose to participate in class discussion. 7.1 students rarely participate, and 3.6% of students or one student said they never participate. Second, student condition. To find out the condition of the student, the researcher gave 6 questions in the questionnaire. First question, how often do you feel reluctant to participate in class? The figure showed that although reluctance is one of the factors that determine respondent participation in speaking classes, it is not very influential. They are willing to participate in class discussion of their own accord, and they do so happily because they also enjoy class activities. Second question, what is the main reason why you don't participate in the class discussion? Third question, what is the main reason why you want to participate in a class discussion? 85.7% of respondents stated they participate in the speaking class because they realized that it was for their own good. 10.7% are willing to contribute to class discussion only when the teacher tells them to do so by calling their name. Fourth question, how often do you feel bored during class? The number of those who answered was rare and sometimes almost the same. Boredom can be caused by many factors such as teaching method, teacher performance, and student condition. Fifth question, what do you think about the statement, if we want to speak other language fluently, we have to practice it? Fifth question, what do you think about this statement, if we want to speak other language fluently, we have to practice it? 71.4% of respondents strongly agree with this statement, if we want to be fluent in speaking another language, we must practice it, and 28.6 agree with the statement. This behavior is believed to lead them to get better achievement and progress. And the last question, how often do you speak English in your daily life? The number of respondents who have a habit of speaking English in their daily life saw a number that is quite satisfactory. 60.7% of respondents said that they sometimes speak English in their daily life, but 32.1% said that they rarely do so. Meanwhile, only 7.1% of respondents said that they always speak English in their daily life, which is a very small number of 100%. Internet issue. Several researchers tried to explore the impact of COVID-19 pandemic in the education sector. Mahat 2021 stated one of the big problems that arose during the implementation was internet problem and the need to improve several factors related to the quality of internet access. In the questionnaire, they were asked, how often do you get internet issues that make you unable to participate in class? As shown in a figure 11 above, only 7.1% of the 28 respondents have never experienced internet-related problem. 35.7 rarely experienced internet problem, and 14.3 always had internet problem. From the above diagram, we can conclude that the internet problem is not the biggest problem in providing participation during online learning. Discussion. Based on the result of questionnaire and interview with the respondent, all respondents like learning in speaking class. However, some respondents still feel that speaking class was difficult. This is because they are still afraid of making mistakes when speaking. From the result of interview with 28 respondents, only 6 respondents prefer to communicate online rather than offline. Conclusion. Referring to data analysis which includes research finding and discussion, some technical problems that arise in online classes such as internet connection, student contribution, and student condition. These issues have somehow affected the online teaching and learning process. Actually, all students like to learn to speak in English. However, some students still have difficulty in speaking English. This is because they are still afraid of making mistakes when speaking. They are shy and not confident to say it in front of their lecturer and friends, and they are still confused when making statements in English. There are many ways to make online classes better and more lively, such as better presentation using supported application and interactive games. That's all. Thank you for your attention.